English shorten TNGTE Senior First Paper August 2012 120 words per minute, but I will dictate 140 words per minute. Start. Mr. Speaker Sir, I move the motion of thanks to the Governor for his address to the legislature. Mention has been made in the address about cyclone and famine in some districts. In this connection, I would like to point out that for many years we have had famines and cyclones in some part of the country. So far as our state is concerned, we have had famine either on account of little rain or sometimes too much of it. In spite of our best efforts, we find that the resources for meeting such conditions are no longer available, and we do not know how we are going to solve these problems if famines and cyclones continue. Today, we have to take into account what has happened in the past 3 or 4 years. Through the government have done much. It has always been felt to be very little, but I think with the experience that the government have in the past, it should be possible for them to go into the question of famine and the possible help that they have to render in future as quickly as possible. I wish to point out that some machinery should be constituted so that the condition created by famines during the last 4 or 5 years may be studied, and it may be decided as to what can be done to give relief to the people as early as possible. I turn to the problem of agriculture in our country. We should give the greatest attention to agriculture, whatever may be the size of our population. Food has got to be produced. So far as our state is concerned, we have to intensity agriculture operations so that we may be able to grow much more than what we are doing now. If we adopt scientific methods of agriculture and use better manure, I think that it will be possible to increase production. It will be good if production committees are formed in every village. They may see how we can improve agriculture. The government may help them to promote the sale of improved seeds and better manure. If the government interference is reduced and the people are helped to help themselves, it will create necessary enthusiasm for development. So far as irrigation projects are concerned, at present no new irrigation projects are taken up, and work on the existing projects being slowed down. In my opinion, slowing down any sound policy, the greatest economy can be affected by completing the work so that the fields may be irrigated and production increased. I request that the irrigation schemes may be completed as early as possible, even by borrowing money if necessary.